Vishal Desai from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from IMTEX India 2026 Bangalore. And today I have Manu Sharma sir with me from Hexagon. Hi sir, how are you?
Thank you very much. How about you?
I'm good, so thank you. Sir, can you brief us about your company and how you started?
So, when we talk about Hexagon, we as an organization is a measurement technology organization globally. And as Hexagon, when we say when it has to be right, it has to be Hexagon. We believe when it's a Hexagon, we are measuring things from micron to mass. So our motto that how we can help our customer to increase their productivity, efficiency across our domain. It can be manufacturing, it can be digital reality, it can be automation, autonomy. So that's overall the Hexagon domain works on.
Right, so dealing in international markets as well?
We are based out of Stockholm,
Okay.
and we have a presence in about 50 countries, and we have over 24,000 employees globally.
Right. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So today when we talk IMTEX, we are major focus on manufacturing, and we as these products are that how we are connecting physical and digital world together, because we are not talking about a measurement only, but we are working toward how we can make the world manufacturing world more efficient, more productive, and more customer friendly. So
right.
this IMTEX, for this time we have launched all the products which we have a portable products, which have a stationary products, and this time IMTEX we are especially going to launch a new product which we are launching tomorrow, which is really going to help the customer in India. How can they make their manufacturing more digital, more productive, and more efficient?
So how energy, reliable and efficient are the products of your company?
So, as a Hexagon, we have a motto that we really work on sustainability, and we have a very much focus on sustainability. So, these products, when we're talking about, it's really because in a indirect or direct, it's working with the customers and to save the energy also. Because if you increase your productivity efficiency in some ways, indirectly or directly, it's having customer to save the energy perspective also. And we have to do a lot of activity across EV. Or other things where the energy is directly involved.
So you're working on the green energy.
It's a big focus for us.
Okay.
As a Hexagon, we are run a separate business where we focus on green energy also.
Right.
Globally, we're also running few farms for EV also. So that's
nice.
where the focus of Hexagon is going to happen.
So where do you see your company in next 5 years?
So we believe that we should be having a thought leader for the customer, not from India, but globally also. And with our major focus that how can we make our life of our customer easy? How can we make our more of things are very automated, because we wanted to make them that how the physical world to digital world we can connect to each other.
Right. That's really nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.